Hello guys, welcome to Edaxis, and today I'm going to show you the unboxing of a network camera, that is P2P IP camera MyEye Series from Edaxis. So you can see the box and you can see the proper logo as well. This is the company's logo and this is the MyEye, the brand logo of the camera division. This is a P2P IP camera. On the top side you can see that what all features this camera is having. This is with Wi-Fi connection, night vision, video quality 720p means full HD, micro SD card support, motion detection, email alert, two-way audio. That is a very unique feature that you cannot get in any of the normal cameras. And the other top side you can see again the Edaxis branding, and you can see this is the tick here, means this is a silver camera inside. This is ATCL router, can be easily connected, and with all the necessary certification like FC, ROHS, CE and all sort of necessary certificates. There in this you can see there is installation software, there's one camera, one bracket, user manual, Ethernet cable, CD adapter and a mounting kit, means all complete solution is there. Yes, it doesn't come with the micro SD card, that you need to buy separately, and I think so 32 GB this can easily support. So now I open. So when we open the box you can see there is one CD, one user manual, the camera, the adapter, the Ethernet cable and all. I show you the product. Well, so this is the camera, and the first impression of this camera is very good because this is the metal body on top with all IR sensors fitted, and you can see the motion. Sidewise the plastic quality is very good. The company says that this plastic is similar to what the good quality mobile phone plastic is, so you will never get any sort of yellowness in this plastic. Over this you can see it is written Edaxis P2P IP camera model MyEye 360 mini, and it is made in Hong Kong with a mic and the reset button, I think so, with Edaxis logo. This micro SD card slot and the MyEye, the brand logo for the P2P IP camera, you can see. And the first impression of the camera is the very beautiful, and you can see the user ID and serial number, and with this scanner also function is there, so that you can scan it and directly it can be linked. This is the cat cable connection for the initial installation. One more unique feature about this camera is that this can be connected, this having a aerial also that can be connected here, and this can be easily connected with any RFID devices like motion sensors, door locks, like fire systems can be easily connected and can be controlled easily. So it's very beautiful, and the handle is also very beautiful, that can be easily hang, and very good quality, and the build, it's very good quality build. There is a adapter, there is the antenna, so that can be covered from a long distance. So this is all about this product, and amazing quality product. And this is a DIY camera, so it can be easily installed by any of the non-professional camera installing persons. Anybody from home can be easily installed. Easy need to connect by your laptop, and then you're connected on the Wi-Fi only. So you should try. And this is the elementary range of camera, very initial range of cameras from the MyEye brand and sub brand from Edaxis. So enjoy this product, buy this product, directly from the company, because this product is not available through any vendors or any dealers. You need to directly procure it from the company, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. But the life of this camera is more than 5 years, so you don't need to worry for any quality or things like that. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.